Hello everybody, today we'll be classifying three-dimensional figures, TEKS 4.8, Geometry and Spatial Reasoning. Our learning objective, TEKS 4.8. Today we'll be learning and defining our knowledge on multidimensional shapes. Upon completion, students will be able to identify 3D objects, define three-dimensional shapes, and classify items according to different types of 3D objects.
Like a ball. You look like a ball. Bounce with me. Bounce with me. Cylinder, cylinder. Cylinder, cylinder. Can't you see? Can't you see? You look like a soda can. You look like a soda can. Shake with me. Shake with me. Sphere. Sphere. Ball. Ball. Cylinder. Soda can. Shapes. 3D shapes.
Vocabulary words: vertices, dimensions, edges, and faces. Alright everybody, I hope after watching that short video we all have a better understanding of what 3D objects may look like and how they may present themselves in the real world. 3D shapes typically have what is called faces. Faces are these flat sides or flat surfaces in our shape. These are called our faces. And although this is a cylinder, we only have two faces. We have one flat side here and one flat side here. For our sphere, we unfortunately do not have any faces since it is completely round. And in the case of a cone, we see that we have a tip, but we have no lines. It is completely smooth. If we flip it, we do have a flat surface though. So our cones have one face due to For a sphere, we must check if any sides are flat, and in this case, as we see, it is completely round. So we do not have any faces. These are a point where two or more rays or the arms of our shape meet, being these points. The arms of our cubes meet right here. The arms of our object are called edges. These small little arms are known as edges. And even if we change the shape, they typically have small lines. But in this case, a sphere or a ball does not have any edges. They are completely round. In order to find the dimensions, we need to make sure that we are multiplying the length, the width, and the height. Very quickly, we will begin taking notes of the following slides. Vertices, a point where two or more rays or the arms of an angle meet. Edges are shape's arms. Faces, the flat surface of our shape. In order to find the dimensions of a 3D object, we will multiply the height, width, and length. Turn and talk. Which shapes do you see around the classroom? How many dimensions are they? What is the difference between 2D and 3D geometric figures? Here, which type of 3D figures do we see? How about here? What is the difference between 2D and 3D geometric figures? The main difference between the two is that they have different dimensions. 2D shapes are flat, while 3D shapes have length, width, and height. What do 3D shapes look outside of the classroom? Alright, exit ticket. Draw your favorite three-dimensional shape that appears in everyday life. Label faces and vertices.